Alright, here are a few more verbs that don't exactly follow the rules. Ir, or ir, means to go. And you can see the conjugations here. Instead of changing it like we normally would, we're just going to put a V in front. So voi, vas, va, vamos, van, and vais. And these endings will actually correspond with what they normally would for AR. Except for OY, that's going to be your yo form. And saber, okay, so saber is a bit of an interesting thing because of the other to know verb, conocer. They're a little different. Saber has to do with more information, like street smart. Conocer has to know with, saber is more information regarding technical stuff. Like knowing algebra. In the yo form, it's going to be se, but everything else is actually rather much the same. It follows the same conjugation. For conocer, it's more of an acquaintance thing. It's like you know the city, you know this person. I know her, it'd be conozco. Conozco ella. And the rest of the conjugations are the same for conocer. Ver means to see. In the yo form, it's actually veo. Hacer means to make or do. It's actually a pretty common verb, so it's good to know this one. In the yo form, it's hago, but all the other conjugations are essentially the same for their corresponding er endings. These are two very important verbs, ser and estar. Ser is more of a permanent to be, as in like your occupation. These doctor and place are little points to help you remember what applies to ser and estar. So doctor, description, occupations, characteristics, time, origin, and relations. So like, she is my mother. That would be ser. I am a doctor. That would be ser as well. So the conjugations are a bit strange for this one. Soy is for yo, eres is for tú, es is for él, ella, and usted, somos is for nosotros, son is for ellas, ustedes, and ellos, sois is for vosotros. And moving over to estar, place stands for position, location, actions, conditions, and emotions. So if I say estoy enfermo, that means I'm sick. So estoy is for the yo form, estás is for the tú form, está is for the él, ella, and usted form, estamos is for the nosotros form, están is for the ellos, ustedes, and ellas form, and estáis is for the vosotros form. And those are the to be words.